here's how it looks. I told Isaac to put the shelf up because it just needed something else. So I got that shelf off of IKEA. Here, let me, I had some frames also that I think might look good, and I have this thing that I'm like, that might look good too. So I'm just gonna start messing with it, and then you guys can kind of see the process of me, like what I like, what I don't like. Can you guys see all of it so you guys can like definitely get a good view? Also, don't mind my line in the back. Okay, there. I'm just gonna like fast forward this part so I'm not like talking and this video doesn't get 1,000 years long because I'm actually filming this on Wednesday, and I'm gonna try to upload this Wednesday night because Monday, Tuesday we were doing some stuff at church and I didn't really get good footage. But I definitely want to push myself to, even if I don't have anything, like come up with something and put it, but make it like, you know, just don't upload whatever. So this is me forcing myself. Also, I'm just gonna turn this candle on so it smells pretty in here. I got this torch, or I don't even know what it is. It looks like that, and then you just light it with that thing off of Amazon, and you just, it doesn't like ever die. You just charge it, like little thingy, charger thingies right here. And then, yeah, you just turn on a candle. So I bought that because I had been buying like the, you know, like the actual lighters. Like I bought 2 packs in like 3 months. So I was like, I need to stop wasting money on that. And it was like, I don't remember, but it was less than 20 bucks. So it was pretty good. Okay, these are the frames that I have. I just want to see what is gonna look good and then start, you know? Okay, so let me show you real quick the frames that I already have. These two, I already had them before I bought the thing. It's just like literally just white, and the picture is smaller than the actual frame, so I think that's gonna look nice. I think these are the ones I'm gonna like the best. But then I also had these white ones where those are, but then I'm like too much white, so that's when I bought the wooden ones and I just kept them. And then after, when I knew I was gonna put the shelf, I bought this one from Target. It was supposed to be for centered, but then I didn't end up using it, so I'm just like, oh, I could put this on my shelf, but I got it at Target. And then I got these also. They're literally like just tiny ones at IKEA. So I don't know if I want to put black because there's literally like no black in my room. But I don't know, maybe I'll paint them because now that I look at it, I think it's just gonna throw it off. So maybe I'll paint them like a pretty pink color or something, or orange. So there's that, and these were like 2 for $1, so it's like not even, like they're very cheap, so it's not gonna hurt me. But I also have this thing, and then I know I need more stuff, but I just don't know what yet. Okay, well, let's just start. Obviously, the pictures inside... Oh, wait. Alexa, stop the music. Okay. Obviously, I don't want to draw attention to the fan or the vent. So I put the pampas over here. So, you know, when it is on, it doesn't blow all my pampas away. But I think I need more color in one of the frames. Like, I don't know. Obviously, the pictures will have, like, I'm going to change the pictures. I'm going to try to do that today when I drop off my packages. But this is what I have. I put a little flower. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. I feel like it needs something like over here, but there's no more shelf space. Maybe I'll have to go get the other one and just sell this one, because this is how the room looks overall. I mean, there's a mess on the bed now, but how does that look? Like, if I take my selfie, you can totally see it. What do you guys think? Leave it down below. I can always change it. Should I get a bigger shelf so it's like more spacious, or is that enough so it doesn't become overwhelming? Because like these frames are pretty big. Those have our vows, like the vows he said to me and the vows I said to Isaac. So I don't want it to be like too much, but I don't know. I kind of like that. Like, and I think with the pictures, I'm not going to get black and white pictures. I know those are black and white. And as much as I like black and white, I just don't think it goes with the room. So I'm going to get like warm pictures. And I edited some of our wedding pictures to be a little warmer because they were very cool. So I think that'll look perfect. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay. We'll see. Just got home and got my pictures. I'm a little like annoyed because the girl from the picture place, she was so rude, so mean. Ooh, these are cute. I mean, I'm not at the pictures because the pictures, they are what they are. Okay, that's a more orangey one. I don't like it. This is the one that I edited. Ooh, look how cute these look. Why are they not as crisp though? The girl at the Walgreens place was so rude to me, to a señor that didn't really speak English, and to some other guy. Like, a guy had just gotten his picture had just printed, and she literally gave him the picture like this with the info in the back. Like, this sticker was in the back. And he's like, do you have an envelope? And she's like, here, and gave it to him. I was so annoyed. I was like, dude, isn't it like common that you like obvious that you have to put it in one of these? Like, who wants to just carry a picture around like this? I was so annoyed with her, like, honestly, super annoyed. But anyways, let's just put these pictures on there.